Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Assalamualaikum guys, this is Gaurav Chaudhary and you are watching Crazy Information Technology. In today's video, I am going to review Asus Zenfone Lite L1. So I hope you will enjoy my review, and as you can see, it's official trailer on the screen. In this trailer, it is right there Asus Zenfone Lite L1. So it's not Lite L1, it's Lite L1. So sorry for that. And if you did not subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe my channel Crazy Information Technology. So without time wasting, let's the review begin. So first of all, I would like to share its highlight. Asus Zenfone Lite L1 highlighted Snapdragon, its face unlock, and its camera. And its price is also its highlight, which is 599 Indian. So now talk about its performance. It comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 with octa-core processor and 2GB RAM with 16GB storage. So it is great, and also my SD card slot is also available in it. So now come to the design. Compact design available in elegant colors, 140 grams lightweight, 82% screen to body ratio, and metallic finish on its back. So it's amazing. And now come to the display. It is 19.84 cm, which means 4.4 inches display, and come with 18:9 full viewing display with resolution 140 multiplied by 720. So as you can see on screen, enjoy contact in wider high definition display. The highlight of this display is wider high definition display. So now to come to the camera. The real camera of this mobile is 13 megapixel with sensor and aperture 2.0, and also PDAF feature is also available in its back camera. It is also one of its highlight. This camera is highlight, but this camera is a single, not a dual camera. So now come to the front camera. Front selfie camera. It's a selfie 5 megapixel with LED soft lighting flash. Portrait mode is also available, and HDR mode is also available in it. So let's talk about battery. It comes with high capacity 300 mAh battery, up to 28 days 4G standby, up to 4 days music playback, up to 17 hours Wi-Fi web browsing. So it is great. The battery of this mobile is good in this tech price. So now come to its Power Master. Master your power with Power Master technology. Battery saving options, scan suggestion, battery optimization app is also available. So now come to its triple slot, 2 SIM card slot, and 1 is micro SD card slot. So it is great. You can also, it give you dedicated micro SD card slot. So it is great. So let's talk about its face unlock, quick access to your phone with just a glass. Face unlock is available in, but not a fingerprint scanner. In this mobile you cannot get a fingerprint scanner. So it is different look. So now come to its Zenfone UI 5 on Android Oreo. Enjoy fastest Android Oreo with experience with Zen UI 5. So it is new to see, so it will be great. So let's talk about its mobile manager, one app for everything about phone management. So it also gives you mobile manager app. So let's talk about Zenfone Lite L1. Asus has launched two new budget smartphones in the India market, the Zenfone Lite L1 and the Zenfone Max M1. The two phones will go against the current segment leaders, the Xiaomi Redmi 6A and the Xiaomi Redmi 6 respectively. The Zenfone Lite L1 is priced at Indian 599 and USD $82 at launch, which is the same as the Redmi 5A price. The Zenfone Max M1 is priced at Indian 7,499 and USD 102, which slightly undercuts that of the more expensive Redmi 6. The pricing is introductory on both devices, when the Zenfone Lite L1 set to the cost Indian 699 and USD 95, and the Zenfone Max M1 to go to Indian 899 and USD 122. After the launch deal experience, Asus told in this is due to the current weak rupee. value, and company does not include advertising within their apps like Xiaomi to sustain the low prices. The Zenfone Lite L1 has a 5.4-inch display with a resolution of 140 by 720. Is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 with an octa-core CPU along with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of expandable storage. On the back in a single 19 megapixel with a aperture f2.0 camera with PDAF features, and on the front side a 5 megapixel camera with flash. The phone has a plastic body with metallic finish with weight just 140 gram. There is no fingerprint scan, but the phone does have face unlock. The battery is 300 mAh and the phone comes with Android 8.0 out of the box. So it's all about the Zenfone Lite L1. Hope you enjoy our review, and according to this mobile I will suggest in this tech price this mobile is better for you because it gives you a Snapdragon processor. The resolution of this mobile is great, 140 multiplied by 720. The RAM is amazing, 2 GB in this tech price, because in this tech price you will get a low specification mobile, and this mobile is amazing in its tech price. And there is no fingerprint. The battery is not too much good, but not too much good. The battery is 300 mAh battery, so it will good in this price. So if you want to go for this mobile you can go it, because this mobile is amazing in its tech price. So I hope you will enjoy our review, and if you enjoy our review kindly subscribe our channel Crazy Information Technology, because when you subscribe our channel you will be connected with the latest technology updates. So by subscribing our channel you will be the family of Crazy Information Technology. So without time wasting, go below and subscribe our channel. And at the last I will write its all specification. If you want to read you can read out, and if you want to skip the video you can skip the video. For now it's ended. We will be right back with new ideas, with new technology. For now, goodbye.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.